Okay, so question is thoughts on Ocean Protocol and their partnership with Deutsche Bundesbank and others. Okay, I haven't heard about this news recently, but let me see if I can find it. Okay, that's not it. Yeah, anybody heard about the news? But in general, though, we did look into Ocean Protocol. It is on tokenmetrics.com, so you can go there and find our full review on it. It's a decent project. I would say mainly from fundamentals. Tech-wise, our team was not so bullish on it. Bill, could you maybe pull up TA on your side as I'm going through? Let's go through the price prediction, for example. Looking at this, yeah, it is pretty choppy in terms of price. It kind of moves. Yeah, I mean, those are sharp edges. But we think this could go to about 32 cents. But in terms of any partnerships, we've not really kept too much attention on this project.
All right, here it comes. Okay, so with this, it kind of remains to be seen, but this could be your square, and this could be your triangle, right? So when you have things like this, okay, there's possibility that if it exits the triangle, if that is in truth what it is, all right, you know, it's got a shot at taking out this area, right? But this is doing all the right things based on how we know these small coins behave, right? Now, you know, I don't know about the news about them doing either, you know, with Deutsche Bank or with the Central Bank of Germany, the Bundesbank. I don't know what you're referring to, but this actually just came out. You know, like the Reserve Bank of Australia is partnering with private sector companies, okay, to get their own central bank project going. So I have heard talk that, you know, one of the ways that the governments want to get into the stablecoin market or the central bank digital currency market is to actually use private sector platforms to do it, right? In other words, governments may want to do what they do best in their mind, which is regulate, right? And then that could allow private sector platforms to help the governments issue their own currency, right? So the private sector does what it does best, it builds, and then the governments kind of oversee and regulate, right? So to the extent that this coin can benefit from that theme, it can.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I think, you know, you have liquidity on Binance and you're a Web3 based project, so you have some staying power. After looking at that chart that Bill had shown on the screen, it looked like it broke its daily resistance, came back for a retest, most likely at that 618 level, and it looks primed to continue its momentum up. So I'll probably, after this call, move in.
All right. So tell us what you think about this project down in the comments below.